Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, you guys, your girl Euniycemari here. So today we're going to be doing something with this hair. My hair is, I straightened it on Tuesday and it's only Friday, and as you guys can see, my flat iron blow dry, it only lasted a couple of days, which is kind of usual for me unless I get a good decent price. This hair does not stay straight for anything, okay? Walking around looking like somebody's crazy aunt, and my hair is just kind of all over the place. I thought about washing it or co-washing it to kind of snap back my curls, but I really don't want to do that because I want to wait for my full wash day, and I just washed my hair on Tuesday, so my hair is not necessarily dirty, just not in its straight state anymore. Like, either I can do a Bantu knot out tutorial, I can find a few things to do. So we're gonna do some Bantu knots. I tried a braid out on this and it did not come out the way that I wanted it to come out, so I'm like, I don't think so. A braid out's not going to work. So I think I'm just going to do some free standing Bantu knots on my hair. And I'm kind of scared of what those are going to turn out to be. I use a Twisted Sisters leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of it. Now this is water based, so I mean, my hair could very well start to revert back, and then I was wondering if I should use a conditioner, not a conditioner, but a styling gel, but I don't know if I want to do that. So we're going to start to do the Bantu knot. I'm just going to twist it. And then I'm going to twist it around itself. Like so. I don't even know how that looks, but that's just one. Like, I literally don't know how these are going to turn out tomorrow, which is a little nerve-wracking because tomorrow I'm supposed to go somewhere, so my hair needs to look decent tomorrow. And I'm like, if this doesn't come out decently, then I probably will have to do a quick co-wash and just wear my hair natural. So I'm just twisting it at the root all the way down. And then I'm going to create the Bantu knot. Okay. And this is going to be the second bang. Oh, nail polish came out. I don't even know why I paint my own nails, you guys. They never last. And then I'm just going to take the same one on this side and we're going to twisty. Also too, I am not keeping track of what direction I'm going with this. Like, I'm not like twisting them all in the same direction or anything. So, I don't think it really matters. Of course, I will learn that lesson in the morning. So yeah. And I got nail polish all in my hair. It's breaking off in my hair. Great. All right, you guys. So these are the Bantu knots. All right, you guys. So that's my Bantu knots. It is about, what time is it? It is about 7 or 8. Oh, 7 o'clock on the dot. So I'll be back in the morning tomorrow to take these down, and then hopefully my results come out decently so that I can look decent out in these streets and not crazy. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys. Oh, my makeup. I don't know. Okay, you guys. So today is next day hair. So we're going to take these down, and what I'm going to use to take these down is a little bit of oil on my fingers. Just so that I have some moisture. And how I'm going to take these down is that I'm going to twist them in the opposite direction. So I'm just going to take it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to twist it. This one kind of unraveled on its own. So with this came out like this. So I'm just going to kind of untwist it. Okay, and I'm not gonna do too much separating because I don't want them to become too frizzy, so I'm just gonna separate them a little bit. So that's what that one came out looking like, and then we'll just separate them at the root a little bit. So I will take the root and kind of pull it apart like so. Same thing on this side. My fingers still have a little bit of oil on it, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just twist it in the opposite direction and kind of let it fall like so. It will look like. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to separate it. So how I separate it is that I just kind of untwist it and then I just gently pull it apart. Gently pull it apart. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go at the root and separate it. I'm not going to separate the bottom portions too much. Now, what I will do, where is my wine comb? What I will do is I'll take a pick and I will just pick the roots of my hair, like so, okay? Then we're gonna go to the next one and we're just gonna do the same thing all over the head. So for the body of my hair, I'm just going to spin around so you guys can see. I would have gotten more definition here if I would have went smaller in this section, but I went a little bit bigger, so it didn't come out as defined. But definitely in the back here I can tell that it did come out defined with me doing smaller sections. So I'm really surprised, well, not surprised, but I'm really happy with that. So I'm gonna wear this kind of like push back So let me see. All right, so I'm gonna use a little bit of the Miel Organics edge gel on the side of my head, which it's starting to leave a residue, so that's actually not making me a happy camper. Why is it leaving a residue? That's not good. Okay, that is not good. I'm just going to grab some hair and kind of equal it out on this side. Okay, and I'm going to place it here. I'm going to grab a comb and do the same thing. And just kind of adjust my hair. I don't know what the back looks like. I'll have to look in the mirror. But this is what the back looks like. I don't know what it looks like. You guys know what it looks like before I know what it looks like. So, all right, so for my bands, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing and twist them, bring them down. And I'm going to slightly detangle. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Don't know how I feel about this, but okay. So yeah, so this is my Bantu knot out. And it gave my hair a little bit more of some volume, which you guys know I love. That straight hair was not doing it, so yeah. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.